piston rod broke out of my compressor, right? In fact, here it is melted to the side right here. But I was like, oh well, it still has 100 pressure. But then I turned it on just to see if it was jammed, and it worked. Now it's all charged up again. So apparently it's working off of one cylinder, but you can look in there and see that's probably the crankshaft. And the rod. I can't even get it out. Let's see. Anyway, I ordered a new one of these, and it'll be here in about a week. But oh, here's the piece right here. I'll just duct tape that baby back on. She'll be good to go. I just think it's crazy that it's still working. I'm not gonna overuse it, but I need to spray some clear right now. So I was like, well, if there's like at least 100 psi, I can get away with spraying some clear. But it works. That's America. We only need one piston. I'll show you, buddy. Just getting the bumper reassembled. Put these bolts in so the bottom grill can go in. And these little pop rivet things are not fitting the way I want them to, but that's fine. I gotta repaint the top side of this. I think I've got them all in there now. I'm gonna flip it around and take a look. Gonna put a couple of coats of 2K black on there because of the overspray I've been getting. So that'll look nice when it's under the hood. It's this fancy stuff, black satin. Same stuff I painted the grill. 2K, you punch the bottom of the can and then it goes in. So I've just about got the front bumper on, and then I dropped one of the screws, which, you know, surprise, surprise. But all I'm gonna do is basically lift it up and then bolt it on and then finish attaching all the stuff. Isn't this cool? This wind would cooperate. It's very windy today, so it wants to knock everything down. Which is annoying, but that's okay. See how far we can get here. Leave. First, let me see if I can find the other bolt. Probably never gonna happen. Oh, there it is, yay. Oh, hello, don't follow me, please. It ain't one thing, it's another thing. Right here, don't fall. Get one in. About in. Beautiful. Let's put you here. Beautiful. Okay. So the main bolts to hold it up are in. Yippee. That must go under there. I messed that up. There we go. Some of that. I'm sure the other side's doing that too. No. This got all kinds of that polishing compound in it. Get that out. But don't it look beautiful? I'll put some push pins in here, put the other bolts in, put the other thing done, and then clean the car, and it's done. Thank God. Great car, but I'm done with this car. So tired of it. I keep stepping on something. I think that's the push pin box on another. All right, you can continue to watch if you want. Let's see. This, it's falling off. That. Oh, don't forget these. Gotta put the side markers on. But this should work. There we go. Thrilled, I'm telling you, I'm thrilled. Do you want to find those pins I just had in my hand? I blew away in Kansas or somewhere. There we go. So don't know if these are the originals or not. Let's see. That says no. Okay, so we do a little smaller than these. Pick some up. Put the mirror on, put the door handles on. Still got to put the door panel on the inside in. I've cleaned it up a little bit, obviously there's a lot more. Put the hood grill things in, put these grill things in. Had to take out the fender liner for this side because it was the wrong one, but I got it ordered, and cleaned a little bit the main grill where it had some of that white polishing compound in it. But it's coming along. Maybe another day. Gotta clean the wheels, of course. I'll take that off. Probably take it to a car wash. We'll see. I'd like to get that fender liner first. Pretty cool though, huh? Well, it's out of the garage. Look at the big mess. Gotta clean that up. I have to wait for the police to come over and check the VIN before I can take it down. There it is. Still really dirty. Looks beautiful. Clean up nicely. It's the first time I've really seen it outside since it was snowy. Get the full effect. Funny thing is I gotta leave like in a couple of minutes to get there on time. I don't know when they're gonna show up. I can't wait here all day. Should check the tire pressure, huh? Well, the sensors probably would have gone off, huh? Need some caps. I can't tell if anybody's coming because it's so windy. It's a beautiful car, I tell you what. Needs to be cleaned though. Still very dusty. I'm excited.